Hi, this bag was super cheap. I mean, look at this. What is this? What is this? So I'm going to be traveling a lot this year and this bag won't do it. So I need to get rid of this. So I'm just gonna start by ripping this shit out and see what we can replace it with. Let's get to it. Finally, unfortunately, the zipper was sewn to this, and as well as the lid. So the lid it's off. And then when you'll be back, I have sewn back this zipper so that everything is back to normal without this. So that took me the whole evening to sew this back, the zipper back to the bag. But now it's back and it's fully working again. And the next part is to put this, which is actually a doormat. Just gonna cut it out, sew it back up, the doormat of course, and then put it back in, and I'll probably glue it into place. I'm just gonna cut this. Okay, let's see how this fits. I think that's pretty good. I think I can work with this. So let's glue it up.
You are the sunrise waking my day. You are the moonlight shining my way. This is where I call home. You are the fire warming my night. With you I'll stay till the morning light. This is where I call home. This is where I call home. Your love is like no other. Your love is where I feel alive. My safety and my shelter. Your love is my home.
So I have this power bank, and I measured the power bank and I drew up this shape to match it in Fusion 360.
Yours here right now, the kind of night we dream about. Oh, 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 it's beautiful. Yeah, time flies when you get it right, so hold on tight to me. Love like we never grew up, and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens. Start
Well, sometimes you fail, and this I would call a failure because it did turn out to be really hard to put the charger through here. There were screws inside of the plastic which I couldn't really circumvene, and therefore it looks kind of crappy. But nevertheless, it works. I can charge my phone, at least one, but I would consider it a failure. I will use this bag for travel and I will pack it right now, but I am sure I want to revisit this project and make it better. Alright, that was it for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.